Alright, welcome back. Just a little short video from Rusted Nuts and Ratchets garage here. I'm going to be doing a new output shaft seal on my Toyota Supra. Now, I suggest buying a blind seal puller because I don't ever have any good luck with the screw method where you drill into the side of the bearing or the side of the seal, put a screw in and pull it out. Always the screw pulls out and I end up using a screwdriver or a chisel to kind of bend in the side without scoring. I'm not sure where I was at in this video. My phone rang and interrupted the recording, which kind of sucks, but my mom, love her, so she can interrupt anyway. So what I did was I got and put a little bit of oil on the edge of this seal. I should have measured it first to make sure I have the right one. And then I usually go to the hardware store and get kind of like a drift, which this is just a piece of PVC pipe for, I believe, a sink drain. And then I got a little cap that goes on there. And that's the exact outer diameter of this seal for the tail shaft. And then I just kind of work it in there. Once it gets in so far, I might take a small extension and just kind of use it to put the seal to where it should be, flush around the outside. Also, with the tail shaft, you want to make sure that the mating surface between this here seal and the outside of the seal and the inner wall of the tail, or the output shaft of the transmission, is clean from any debris and no scratching or scoring. Now, I have had it where I've scratched the aluminum there on my other car, and what I end up doing is I just put a little thin layer of RTV black on the outside of the bearing race, or sorry, the seal where the seal mates to the metal, and it hasn't leaked yet. I've got about 10,000 kilometers on since I did that, so I'll go ahead and put this in the rest of the way. Might be able to drift it in with I might be able to put it in with this here. Only thing is my friggin' fingers are getting in the way. So you might want to keep that in mind, that you might want to get an extension on your the piece that you're drifting in, using as a drift, whatever. But that's... And mobility is limited under here. I should have put the car up a little higher, but whatever, it's all good. As long as this thing goes in. And as long as it seals. I'm just working this side a little more than this side because it kind of went in a little on an angle. So once this planes out, it should be flush and go in easier all around. So we're almost there. I might try my drift again. That's not it. Looks like it. Where are you? Yeah, see, that's going in nice and smooth now. The last one I did, and then you want to make sure, see, this side's in a little bit more. It's hard to tell. Let's see if I can zoom in for you. So there's a little bit of a ridge right here. You can feel it. This side's sitting a little high. What you want to do is get that all flush all the way around. No, it's pretty well lit there. I'm going to use this to put it in just a little bit further. So I think that fits right in there. And just kind of use it to level that out. So that's pretty well lit there. Pretty straightforward. Different seals are a little different and whatnot, so hopefully you find that helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification button. I'll be posting videos hopefully on a weekly basis. I generally try to on the weekend unless I'm really busy, and then I edit when I can, so you know.